tried to hide, but so they broke. We tried to sing, couldn't hit the notes. The words kept catching in my throat. We tried to smile, we were suffocating though. But here with you, we can finally breathe. You say you're no good, but you're good for me. We've been hoping to change now. I know we can change, but we won't if you're not by my side. Why doesn't feel right every time I let you in? Why doesn't feel like I can tell you anything?